Hello lovelies, welcome back to another interesting video from the stable of Wendy style. Alright, so today's video focuses on how to achieve coils in different diverse ways. The very one you are watching right now is using comb to achieve coils, and this is using this particular product. This is the next one. Use that particular product you just saw, this one right here. All right, you could pause to see it, and spray this product on your hair, spray it on your hair, and then just use your finger to comb through it, and you will not believe the result. Look at this, look at that. She started doing it hand by hand, and look at that. That's just simply using the hand with that product to achieve the curl. This is the next one. So this video focuses on how to achieve coils on your hair. When your coils can actually pop out in a very shiny, beautiful and attractive way, it helps to create that attention, all right, that complementary look that you've been looking for. You see, listen, okay, most people don't yet understand that short hair, rocking short hair, going low, deciding to choose to rock short hair is a very big decision that could change a whole lot about you. I read a comment where someone was saying, why do you want them to cut their hair? Allow it to grow very long, let the wind blow it, and the beauty of the hair is seen. The truth is, no one is forcing anyone to cut off their hair, all right, but you've got to weigh the advantages and the disadvantages. Which one is best for you? Keep it long, spend more on it to maintain it, and spend more time when trying to dress up for an occasion, or keep it low and spend less, and then spend less time when trying to go out for an occasion. The choice is yours. All right, long hair have its own issues. You will definitely need to visit the salon, salon parlor, to do some rejig on the hair so that it can come back to life, and that does not cost a little, it costs a lot. All right, but with your short hair, with one product that you have, all right, you can actually style your hair yourself the DIY way, and you are ready to go. Several styles to choose from in these collections, and you can see this is using comb once more to try to achieve the coils. And I want to see how this finally looks like, because the result is endless. The styles and options that you can use, this is using a roller, just different options, different ways that you can achieve your coils. And this is the roller being removed. Let's see, by the time all the rollers are being removed, how does it look like? Let's see. Okay, all of them has been removed now, and they are being twisted, detangled and twisted with the finger. This is the result, hula. All right, so several ways to achieve coils if you, all right, want to go for short hair. This particular video is on achieving the right defined coil for all hair types, and I love all of them. So thank you guys for always sticking around, for watching the videos anytime we make a new upload. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, all right, and subscribe to this video so that others can get to see it. Okay, I'll leave it here, guys. Let me allow you guys to watch the rest of the video. See you again in my next upload. At this juncture, it's ciao.